Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I am using the raw direct aloe vera fruit on my hair, which leaves my hair really silky and soft immediately. Even if you have a very frizzy and damaged hair, this could be a simplest and a great way to bring back all the vitality to your hair as soon as possible. For this reason, I am using a real aloe vera leaf, and as you can see, the way that I'm cutting the aloe vera is only from the sides, and also I remove one side of the aloe vera and leave the skin on the other side. This is the way I'm preparing the chunks of the aloe vera for my hair. In order to put the aloe vera fruit directly to your hair, make sure your hair is completely cleaned, and then we are going to damp the hair. If your hair is not damp, just use a water spray and damp your hair. Once your hair is all damp, start using the cubes of the aloe vera that we prepare, and just like a soap, massage all over your hair and scalp, and make sure all your hair and scalp is fully covered, and then massage it thoroughly and you're done. In order to keep it to the maximum effect, take the towel that you want to use it to wrap your hair, put it inside a container and pour boiling water over the towel, and then remove the excess water. And cover your hair with the hot towel and leave it there for 1 hour. After 1 hour, just wash your hair normally with shampoo and conditioner, and you will notice an immediate results that your hair is much softer and shinier. Do this once a week and you will see a great change in your hair growth as well.